Hello students. Today we all have learned about the remaining phylum of the classification of animal kingdoms. In the previous session we all have learned about the Porifera, Coelentata, Ctenophora. Today we all have learned about the two phylums, phylum Platyhelminthes and phylum Aschelminthes. The first phylum is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. What are the special features of Platyhelminthes? How can identify these animals are Platyhelminthes or not? So, number one, the meaning of Platyhelminthes. What are the meaning of Platyhelminthes? Platy, P-L-A-T-Y. Platy means flat. Platy means flat. Chapta. Platy means flat. फ्लैट्स एनिमल्स. इस ग्रुप के जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनकी बॉडी फ्लैट होती है, चपटी होती है. सो दीज आर नोन एज Platyhelminthes and commonly known as flatworms. The body is flats. Body is flat. And second, they are mostly found in the parasitic forms. पैरासाइट्स होते हैं एंडोपैरासाइट्स एंड फ्री लिविंग पैरासाइट्स. कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो किसी होस्ट के अंदर रहते हैं और उससे अपना न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं, लेकिन कुछ बाहर रह के भी वो सरवाइव करते हैं. एंड थर्ड इज एक्सक्रीशन टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू द फ्लेम सेल्स. Excretion takes place through the flame cells. Excretion takes place through the flame cells. फ्लेम सेल्स के थ्रू एक्सक्रीशन होता है. जो इनके एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, वेस्ट मटेरियल्स होते हैं, वो बॉडी से निकलते हैं. किसके थ्रू? फ्लेम सेल्स. फ्लेम मतलब ज्वाला. एक स्पेसिफिक सेल्स होती है जिसकी जो शेप होती है, डिजाइनिंग होती है लाइक एज फ्लेम. These are mostly bisexual or hermaphrodites. Bisexual. The body organization is organ level. Body organization is organ level. Organ levels, and these are all of triploblastic. ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक मीन्स इनका जो जर्मिनल लेयर्स है उसमें कितने लेयर्स होते हैं? 3 लेयर्स, एक्टोडर्म, मेसोडर्म, एंडोडर्म, एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक. Larval stage are found they are reproduced sexually and some are asexually. So these are the various features of the phylum Platyhelminthes. Examples of Platyhelminthes: Taenia solium, liver fluke, various examples of the phylum Taenia solium. The structure of Taenia solium is as liver fluke, leaf-like, liver fluke. In the Taenia solium, a specific structure are present, that is suckers and hooks. Hooks and suckers. Hooks का क्या काम है? Attachment to the intestine, and suckers help in the taking foods. These are the specific structures in the parasites of the Taenia solium. The next phylum is Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. What are the special features of Aschelminthes? How can I identify it is a Aschelminthes? The other name of Aschelminthes is nematoda. Nematoda. These animals is known as roundworm. इस फाइलम की जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उसको हम किस नाम जानते हैं? राउंडवर्म. These are all of triploblastic. Body organization is organ level. Body organization is organ level. Organ levels. Body organization is organ level. Pseudocoelom is present. Pseudocoelom is present. These are unisexual, sexual dimorphism is present. Sexual dimorphism is present. Fertilization is internal. They reproduce mainly sexual reproduction. Example, Ascaris, Wuchereria, pinworm, various. Ascaris causes ascariasis disease in human being. Wuchereria causes filaria disease in human being. Okay? Wuchereria enter in our bodies by the biting of mosquitoes. These are parasites. Ascaris structure, male is small, where female is long and broad. This condition of the Ascaris is known as sexual dimorphism. These are the various features of the phylum Platyhelminthes and phylum Aschelminthes.